Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds Moto Buds 270. Firstly, make sure that you turn on your Bluetooth. Open control panel and check it. If it's disabled, you can just enable it here. And your earbuds should reconnect with your phone automatically, but for iOS you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your earbuds here, because after you turn on it, you don't want to reconnect automatically this time. So we have connection. Also, you can try to do this on your Android device, because sometimes it happened also with Android devices. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone. If you have iOS, you will see this text "not connected". If you have Android, it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends, because let's say on Realme, under your earbuds you have a text in use if it's connected and no text if it's disconnected. And then just open the charging case, your earbuds will reconnect with your phone automatically. So check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, remove your earbuds from the case if you have it in the case. And then at the back side we have Moto logo here, so you need this one is touch areas, and you need to press and hold on them. Firstly, we need to turn off your headphones, so press and hold until you will see the red LED light. Here we go, we just turn off them, then release your finger and then press and hold again for at least 10 seconds. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect these earbuds from the phone, with the phone. So, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. Not all Android phones have them, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and we have connection. Also, if factory reset didn't help you, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will remove all your networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on iPhone, and then I will move to Android. So, on your iPhone, open Settings. Then we need to go to the General settings. So click at the General, and right here at the bottom, scroll down, we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset, and right here you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So Reset Network Settings, write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to... that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings. And then we need to go to the System. So scroll down, System. And right here, at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have Reset Options. So scroll down, here's Reset Options, tap at this line, and you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And click Reset. But once you did it, again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!